everyone, Shelley here. Hope you're having a great week and you got out and did some birding. This video is going to be part of a series, and my series will be called Mandurah Vlog. I'm really excited that I've decided to do this because I go to the Mandurah Estuary quite a bit. It's a beautiful area to explore, and I go right around the waterways around Mandurah at different stages of the year, depending on what the weather's doing. And I can go to the estuary, I can go to the ocean, I can also go bush if I wish. So it's a really good area that I really learnt my craft of photography. So this video was shot over 4 days at the estuary. It was just beautiful, calm mornings, and one of the mornings there was a full moon, and the full moon was really good because there was a bit more light before the sun came up, and I was able to do some beautiful work with the pink light. And I also saw the ospreys doing things, and it was just a really nice week of relaxation, of birding, and I hope you enjoy this one. Just arrived at the estuary, and there's a full moon, and the little egret is hunting under the full moon. Okay, I've got to go down a bit of a rocky area here. It's a high tide, and the egret's just gone past me, so I'm going to try and get to the side of him because I want to get that full moon. And he's just flown off because he knows I'm here. Oh, the light's beautiful. You can see the moon. It looks like a little speck there, but can you see that light across the water? I'm really hoping I can get him in that. So I'm just going to lay down the mud and stuff, and that's not a good thing. And you can see now I've got lots of seaweed here, and I try not to go in the seaweed in this particular area because you sink down. You don't really know how deep you would go, and if I lose my balance or anything while I'm holding the camera, that's not such a good idea. So I'm just going to stay here. So we've got the great egret and the little egret, and oh, look at that, a Caspian tern just got a fish and he's coming towards me. It's amazing. There he goes. You probably can't see him, but just gone past the full moon. I was going to put my little portable camera on the rocks, but when I put my foot in the water, right, it starts to go. It's quite deep. And then I feel the soft sand, and I'm thinking, oh, I think I should be right. The things you do for YouTube. Water all around me. I'm on a little island, and the water's backing in the tide, it's side tide. It's still coming in, so I'll go to do this with the camera to get washed away. And the birds are flying up and down, but it's really tricky because of the water. But for me, because the high tide's coming in, it's bringing in food, and the birds are loving it. The closest thing to snow, hey? Just all the froth on the shoreline. I had a session with this spoonbill, and the water was flat yesterday. It's a bit more choppy today, and the tide was high. It was right up on the rocks. So what I did is I hopped up onto the rocks here and show you what I did yesterday to get the yellow-billed spoonbill, because the tide was right in, and it's coming in now. It's not far off being right up on against the rocks. So what I do is I go down these rocks. I have to do it carefully because I'm holding my big gear, the big camera, and this is the last rock before it becomes water. And you can see the surface of the rocks, very uneven, so you have to be very careful. I wouldn't recommend it if you're unsteady on your feet. And sat down. I didn't use the tripod because the tripod could have easily unbalanced, and with a bit of a rough surface, so I couldn't place my camera on the ground, so I actually held it.
Spring dreamer, here's my song for you. I'll hold you as winter passes through. Sweet dreamer, this is my prayer for you. Don't linger, let us start anew. You loved me when the sun rays hit the sidewalk, and the streets were flooded with gold. When the treetops swayed through breezy mornings, and everything was so sure and bold. Spring dreamer, here's my song for you. I'll hold you as winter passes through. Sweet dreamer, this is my prayer for you.